If you or someone you know struggles to hear clearly in noisy places, this is something you'll want to see. These are the FLYSOUND Pure Hear Pro H8 FDA cleared Bluetooth OTC hearing aids. They're not just designed to make sounds louder, they actually make conversations easier to follow while still feeling natural and discreet. And the best part, you can test your hearing and customize these at home using an app without ever going to the hospital. The results are very close to what you get in the clinic. Truly impressive. Today, I'll walk you through the design, the comfort, the key features, app fitting, remote, battery, and daily use. So you can see why these are the complete package for anyone looking for a high-quality, convenient hearing aids. First thing I noticed was how sleek and lightweight these feel. They sit comfortably behind the ear in an RIC style, so they're barely noticeable even during long work days or outdoor walks. If you wear glasses, this is a huge plus because they don't interfere at all and still look clean and low profile. Whether you're at a home office, a cafe, an airport, or a formal event, they blend in naturally and feel very discreet. They come with 3 pairs of ear tips in 3 sizes, small, medium, and large, so you can find a fit that's secure and comfortable for all-day wear. They're also water resistant, and the charging case includes electronic drying to protect against moisture and accidental drops. Another really thoughtful feature is the 2 lanyard options. Now, the lanyards are very easy to attach. They come with threaded screws. Simply thread the screw onto the earphone itself. So one lanyard lets you wear the charging case around your neck, perfect for quick access while walking or traveling. Simply connect the lanyard to the remote, slide this little piece of plastic in here, and then place the remote in the charging case, and then you can wear it while you're jogging or traveling. Now, this other lanyard is compact and very travel friendly. It's ideal if you want to go light and leave the case at home. And if you're wearing a collared shirt, you could tuck the lanyard under the collar to prevent it from sliding side to side. And again, attaching the hearing aid is very simple. Simply turn them clockwise just like a threaded screw. And removing them is just as easy. You simply reverse the motion and unscrew. These small details make carrying and using the device super convenient. Now, let's talk about sound. The Pure Hear Pro H8 delivers up to 60 dB amplification, powered by FLYSOUND's AI technology. It helps enhance speech understanding and reduce background distractions, which is very ideal for busy cafes, airports, or even at your home office. The hearing aids are also expertly engineered with 50 physical channels and an ultra-low 5 dB input noise floor, delivering precise natural sound. The 360-degree dual microphones capture voices from every direction, so you can hear conversations and everyday sounds clearly in any environment. And thanks to feedback control and noise reduction, you won't get that annoying whistling effect. You can do a full hearing test right from your phone, creating a personalized profile without needing a hospital visit. The app is very intuitive. It tests left and right ears separately and uses an AI algorithm similar to the professional audiologist, giving you a custom amplification for your unique hearing levels. Once your hearing profile is set, you can easily adjust the volume, tone, listening direction. The app also features tinnitus masking for added comfort, and it supports Auracast-enabled audio for next-gen wireless sound sharing. For downloading Android, scan the QR code on the fitting card in the box, or download FLYSOUND from Google Play. iOS, search FLYSOUND Max in the App Store. It's easy to set up and the results are really accurate, almost like visiting a clinic, but from the comfort of your own home. Another great feature is the compact remote control. It lets you adjust the volume, switch between different scene modes, and even find my device, all without opening the app. To demonstrate, I'm going to take out the hearing aids and the remote. I'm going to long press the bottom button on the remote. The remote flashes briefly and the hearing aid starts blinking with the blue for about 2 minutes. This is the Find My Hearing Aids function, and it works great. Turning off the lights makes it easier to locate the device indoors. This is such a practical feature, especially for small devices that could easily be misplaced around your home or office. Battery life is also really convenient for everyday life. You get up to 14 hours on a single charge, up to 70 hours with this portable case, and a 15-minute quick charge gives you 6 hours of use. The charging case is also durable and designed for travel, with lanyard option for easy carrying on the go. Overall, the FLYSOUND Pure Hear Pro H8 delivers an audiologist-level experience at home, with AI-powered hearing tests, personalized amplification, and real-world features like remote control, Find My Device, lanyards, and multiple ear tips. It's a complete package. You also get 3 sets of ear domes, a 12-month warranty, and 24-hour online support, giving you confidence for everyday use. Whether you're at a home office, outdoors, a cafe, or traveling to an airport, these hearing aids feel comfortable, discreet, and easy to use, making conversations effortless and enjoyable. If you're looking for high quality, convenient, and modern OTC hearing aids, the FLYSOUND Pure Hear Pro H8 is definitely worth checking out.
There's a ghost right behind.